Hi, my name's Jamie Moran, Project Manager for Storey Contracting. We're currently at the Allt Beag Bridge Replacement Project. We've been working with Beag Scotland now for nearly 2 years on various schemes, large and small. We worked together during the pre-construction phase to gain the optimum economical solution, as well as protecting the local environment. The H-7 is the main trunk road between Loch Ness, Inverness and Skye, and as such had to remain open at all times, especially during busy tourist season in the northwest of Scotland. To accommodate the traffic flow, we had to build a temporary road, 4 1.8 metre diameter precast culverts, along with soliform bagwork head walls.
Hi, my name's Stuart Duff. I'm a project agent for Storey Contracting, and I was a project agent and engineer for the Allt Beag project. Throughout the project, sustainability and environmental concerns were in front of our minds. During the temporary alignment, we had to import around 6,000 tonnes of stone. We managed to recycle this using a local landowner and local business who used it for a hard standing and further tracks. This resulted in us diverting the full 6,000 tonnes from going to landfill. As part of the works, we were working under a bat licence. This was due to the local landowner's house nearby, which had about 400 bats roosting in their roof. This included 4 different species, including one of the rarest species in the UK. This meant we had constant visits from ecologists who were doing dusk and dawn surveys on the bats to ensure that the works we carried out didn't have a negative effect on them. We installed a bespoke bat fence solution in order to protect the bats from flying into oncoming traffic. We were also working on our SEPA cars licence. As part of this, put restrictions on certain dates we were allowed to work within the water and the methodologies we were allowed to use. Prior to working in the water, we carried out fish rescues in order to protect the local fish life. We also chose to use diversion methodologies rather than over-pumping. This caused minimal disruption to the fish life. As part of the permanent culvert structure, we installed a mammal ledge running through the culvert. This allowed for the safe crossing of animals through the road. As part of the site clearance, in order to install the temporary alignment, we had to carry out large devegetation works, including a large number of trees. As part of the reinstatement, we had to install a bespoke landscaping design. This design included planting of over 800 trees, as well as fencing and various grass seed. The environmental constraints throughout the project were key to delivering a successful project, and we managed to work collaboratively with Beag in order to overcome these constraints.
I'm Rakesh Swami. I work for Beag Scotland as a senior project engineer. This project involves removal of the old bridge, which was identified as a substandard structure under previous trunk road maintenance contracts. As of rights, Beag Scotland were appointed as a principal contractor and principal designer. Storey were appointed as a subcontractor for the scheme to deliver for Beag Scotland on behalf of Transport Scotland. We worked with Storey to develop a good program to work around various constraints in the project. We did undertake quite a lot of stakeholder engagement, stakeholder consultation with landowners as well as SEPA and SNH. I must say we are very content the way we started the project and completed all as per the program. Did develop very good relationship between Beag Scotland and Storey, as well as with Transport Scotland.
Firstly, we had to remove the surfacing from the existing carriageway, along with diverting the Allt Beag channel to the west of the existing structure, demolition of the existing structure and removal of in excess of 3,000 metre cube of infill material. The new permanent culvert system was then installed. This involved replacement of 6 3 metres by 2.5 metres precast concrete sections, along with in excess of 20 wing wall sections. On completion of the wing wall sections, we then clad the wing walls and head walls with a specially selected random rubble stone, which looked absolutely excellent and befitted the environment. Then began the embankment works to the new road alignment, which we brought up to subformation level. And at this point, we installed the new vehicle restraint system along with masonry parapets spanning the structure, the new road surfacing, white lining, road markings and road signage, along with a new drainage system and subsurface drainage system. On completion of the permanent works and bridge installation, we then switched the traffic back over to the A887 under temporary traffic management. At this point, we could then remove the temporary road, which had to be completed by the end of September in line with the SEPA car licence. Overall, this was a great project for many reasons. One being the development of our younger team members who gained exposure to a wide variety of civil engineering activities. Overall, the project was delivered safely and to a very high standard, and I think that's testament to the hard work by the site team in collaboration with Beag Scotland. As you can see for yourself, we've delivered a fantastic project in a really beautiful location. So I want to say a huge thank you to everyone involved, and well done.